Namaste friends, welcome to Avaduda Yoga. This is Abhilash here, and today we are going to do a Pranayama or breathing exercise. Pranayama I already explained you in our previous videos. It's a Sanskrit word like pran plus ayama. Pran is called the vital energy or oxygen or the air we take in, and ayama means to control. So literally pranayama means controlling your breath. And today we are going to do a pranayama called Ujjayi pranayama. Ujjayi is also a Sanskrit word, ut plus jay. Ut means expanded, upward, and jai means victorious, success, conquer. So you can conquer your mind through this pranayama, because when you do this pranayama, your mind will become more calmer and calmer. This breathing is also called victorious breathing and ocean breathing. Like when you breathe, the sound we produced while breathing, it's like a sound of the ocean. That's how the name ocean breathing comes. Before going into the breathing exercise, first of all you have to select a sitting posture. It can be Sukhasana, it can be Padmasana or Vajrasana, whichever sitting position you would like to sit. Spine straight, shoulder relaxed, and sit. Now here how Ujjayi breathing is done is, when you inhale, just imagine that there is a hole in your throat. You are just breathing through that hole. Imagination. It's an imagination. But actually you are breathing through your nose only. And I'll tell you the easiest way, like when you open your mouth and breathing, the sound comes. Then I just inhaled. Then exhale. So the same thing, close your mouth and do it, engaging your throat. And chin lock. This is one of the bandhas in yoga. There are three bandhas. The first one is Mula bandha, second one is Uddiyana bandha, the third one is Jalandhara bandha. In advanced level, we can retain the breath by using all these bandhas. But here what we are doing is only the Jalandhara bandha. You are locking your chin towards your chest. That's what we are using today in this pranayama. Then one more thing I just want to explain you. Already I told you the chin will be locked here. Then you can hold your breath as long as possible for you. Then when you come back, chin up and close your right nostril with your right thumb and exhale through the left side. Now you have a question, why we are exhaling through the left? I'll explain you. We have two nostrils, isn't it? The right one is called Pingala and it is representing sun and it is hot. And the left one is Ida, which represent moon and which is cool. And when we retain our breath in the system, the breath will become hot and the system will also become hot. In order to cool down the system, we are closing our Pingala that represents sun and hot, and we are exhaling through the left, that is Ida representing moon and cool. So that is the reason why we are just closing the right nostril. I hope you understood the reason why we are exhaling through the left. Okay, now we'll go for the breathing, proper breathing exercise. So both hands in chin mudra and engage your throat, engage your glottis, vocal cords, and close your eyes and breathe. And chin lock. Maintain your spine straight. and chin up. Close your right nostril and exhale through the left. Once you finish exhalation, bring your hand down and again breathe, engaging your throat. And chin lock. Chin up, close your right nostril and exhale through left. Bring your hand down. Now again, engage your throat. Breathe. Take a deep breath in. Chin lock. Chin up, close your right nostril and exhale left. This is how you do Ujjayi Pranayama. I can explain you the benefits of Ujjayi Pranayama. First and foremost thing is, it is good for people having any thyroid issues, hypothyroid or hyperthyroid issues. It is good for people having sleep apnea and snoring. So snoring can be reduced while you practice this pranayama. It relieves tension and softens your diaphragm. The lungs and respiratory muscle function will become smoother and it allows you to have a deep breathing. The practice of this pranayama can bring amazing relief on people having heart defect. And this pranayama can instill confidence and soothes your nerves and calms your brain. And people having emotional imbalance can be benefited if they practice this pranayama, because the emotions are controlled by our thyroid gland only. And this pranayama can bring balance in your chakras in your body. As I mentioned earlier, it can cool your body because we are working with the ida, the left nostril, and it reduces the accumulation of phlegm. These are the benefits you can avail when you practice this pranayama on a regular basis. I hope you enjoy the video and kindly share with your friends as usual and ask them to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me. We will see you soon with another wonderful video. Till then, goodbye.